The 3 Russian fans were handed jail sentences of 2 years, 18 months, and 1 year by a Marseille court for planning acts intended to hurt people and destroy property. The punishments were handed down on the same day French officials announced a further 20 Russian fans would be deported in the coming days. They are from a group of 43 detained by police June 14th after violence flared up at the tournament during a match with England. 6 more Russian fans were detained Thursday in Cologne, Germany, after assaulting 3 Spanish tourists. According to German media, the Russians were returning to Moscow. 2 of the Spaniards involved in the assault were seriously injured.